So Hindenburg Research has published another article where there are allegations made on SEBI chief. And this is tying back to historically the Adani news leak, whatever that happened somewhere about 18 months back. And the whole history is resurfacing. तो हो क्या रहा है कि हिंडनबर्ग रिसर्च ने फिर से एक रिपोर्ट पब्लिश की है where they are claiming that SEBI's chairperson had stake in some sort of obscure bank account entities used by Adani to siphon money. Mota moti, they are claiming that Adani has siphoned some money and SEBI's chief had some role to play in it. Now, what is that role? There is a little bit back and forth going. Officially, there has been a response from SEBI chief as well. And by now, there is also a response by SEBI as well. Now, what their point is that they have made to Hindenburg a show cause notice, which is also actually mentioned in the report, by the way. They had a July 2024 response to the show cause notice. They wrote that and found it odd how SEBI set up some sort of prevent fraudulent practices, all of that. And then Supreme Court said that SEBI has drawn a blank in its investigation of these shareholders, etc., etc. So there are some backgrounds happening. There's some relationship history going to happen. And a lot of news has already started to happen. So ab sab tarah ka drama shuru ho gaya, political drama and all that. So if you go to Twitter, Hindenburg is publishing a lot of articles where it's saying that jo response hai, it is actually confirming some of what they have said. And they're trying to address it. They're trying to just call out that who the person is, kya relationship tha, koi some husband's childhood friend and whatnot. There's lots of details available if you go onto the Twitter account, and Twitter account there's all threads running around talking about this kind of detail. Now the important thing in this case is, I think what should happen is that we should just remain calm and let this play out. Political narratives do influence stock market big time. I usually personally stay away from Adani shares. Nothing specific, but it's very politically exposed stock. It has always been in the news for whatsoever reasons, and that is just a point of volatility which I'm not okay in accepting the risk. Lot of people have made a lot of money, some people have lost money, again to each their own. The interesting part is if you just go and publish Hindenburg, everything is started to happen. So Congress, BJP have a clash over it. AAP is now demanding Modi's resignation. There's obviously Adani Group is saying that this is malicious and mischievous and it's not right, etc., etc. And then Rahul Gandhi is attacking PM over the latest Hindenburg report and all that. Furthermore, then the lady is saying that I have made these investments 2 years before I joined SEBI and whatnot. So it will be very interesting to see, and at the time of the recording of this video, which is somewhere around Sunday night, how the markets react on Monday. There should be some flux in the market given the news report, or maybe people are just taking it as another gossip. It doesn't seem to impact, might seem to impact Adani stocks. Definitely there could be a fall again, like the previous fall. But what might be very interesting is as this pans out, it will also bring to limelight some of the decisions that SEBI chief has made. And once that comes under scrutiny, there might be a lot of discussions here and there happening. Now, if the market falls, I am pretty sure right now a lot of people are sitting on cash positions to just put money in the market, which is what I will do. So if there's a dip, I am going to buy the dip. I will do downward averaging and move further. Isse beyond, I don't think this news has any relevance, and these kind of political narratives I try to usually stay away from. But this narrative has been literally fed into my own news feed onto YouTube, so I thought I need to talk about it. Alright, so that's a pretty short video. Usually, I've recently started doing these kind of videos, so do tell me if you are interested in more of small commentaries around these topics. Maybe these are topics for short conversations, like shorts. Quick plug about the channel itself. I talk mostly on Python, algo trading, AI, technology, how to leverage technology in trading, share market stocks. A lot of channel perks are there. You can get discounts to technology platforms like QuantLab, Speedbot, etc. All of that is in the description. If you want access to code, join the membership channel and WhatsApp group free mein hai. Alright, until next video, bye-bye.